In this video, I'll show you how to set up your account security options in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, in order for you to add security options, simply head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on your profile. Now, below your profile, you want to head over to the bottom and click on the third option, which is profile. And once you click on profile, that will automatically take you to the profile overview. Now, in order for you to add your account security options, simply head over to the tabs at the top. From here, you want to choose the second tab, which is settings. Now, below settings, you want to choose the third option, which is security. Now, in here, you have two types of two-factor authentication. One is by using an authenticator app. Now, using an authenticator app in here, you can use Google Authenticator, iOS, and etc. Let's say you want to choose an authenticator app at the bottom if you click on next. From here, what you need to do is scan the QR code from your phone. Now, once you have the QR code, you want to simply add this link. And once you have the link at the bottom, you want to set the authenticator code. Now, whenever you log in into your Mailchimp account, it will automatically ask you to set up the authenticator app in order for you to log in. If you want to make it a bit simple, what you can do is get a code to send to your mobile phone number. So from here, simply click on the second option, which is SMS, and below SMS, click on Next. From here, you want to select a country code for your mobile phone number. Let's say you want to do USA. At the bottom, you want to add your phone number. And once you have that at the bottom, click on Get Code. Now, that will send you a code to the number in which you have added within there. From there, what you need to do is simply enter the 6-digit code in which they have sent. Let's say you want to add the code. And if you did not receive the code at the bottom, you will also have an option to send a new one. Now, whenever you log in into your Mailchimp account, if you use the SMS, it will automatically ask you to send a code with the number in which you have added in here. And if you use the Authenticator app, you need to simply verify using the Authenticator app within your phone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.